Hello friends, welcome to Megalite channel, and for today's video I go unbox and review the Tecno Camon 18i. Because this phone na the cheapest phone for the Camon 18 series, people no dey too talk about am. So person wey no get enough money to buy the Camon 18 Premier no go know wetin dey inside the Camon 18i because people no dey too talk about am. Camon 18i na the cheapest phone for the Camon 18 series when Tecno recently released. If you dey for Nigeria, you fit use between 85 to 90,000 naira buy this phone. Although e no get all the special features when the Camon 18 Premier get, the phone no bad for budget users. For this video, I go unbox am, then show you the display and performance of the phone. If na phone wey you fit spend your 85k on, you fit tell me for the comment section of this video. Like every other Tecno Android phone, the quick specification dey front of the phone. The back camera na 48 megapixel. E get 6.6-inch dot-in HD Plus display with 90Hz screen refresh rate. The storage capacity na 128GB ROM with 4GB RAM. The processor na MediaTek Helio G85. And finally, the battery capacity na 5000 mAh. Warranty card, plastic pouch. Oh wait, make I wear the pouch for the phone and see if it go make any difference. Personally, I go prefer to use the phone without the pouch. The only difference be say the pouch make the phone look safe and feel soft small. Now the phone charger be this, na 18-watt charger. And here na one other small box, the house to the charging USB cable, earpiece and SIM injector. So na everything wey dey inside the box be that. The display na IPS LCD with 84.8% screen to body ratio. The refresh rate na 90Hz, so not to expect perfection from this display. Not be say Tecno no fit make am up to 120Hz like the 18 Premier, but this one na budget phone with budget features. I no really like the idea say the front camera na 8 megapixel. I for prefer if Tecno make the storage capacity 64GB ROM instead of the 128GB ROM and increase the front camera from 8 megapixel to 16 megapixel. This Camon 18i na big sacrifice of camera quality for storage capacity. Or wetin you think? Some people prefer more camera quality to storage space, but me na just the opposite. If you think say you go need more storage space pass the camera quality, let me know for the comment section for bottom. If you dey enjoy this video, no forget to subscribe to my channel. E no go cost you anything to touch that subscribe button now. No forget to like this video too. You fit still tell me wetin you think about my video too for the comment section for bottom. The right side of the phone carry the volume and power button, and the top of the phone dey empty. The SIM house dey the right side of the phone. The bottom carry the microphone, the 3.5mm head jack, the charging port, and finally the speaker. Back of the phone carry 3 cameras with the main camera of 46 megapixel. 46 megapixel camera for phone like this no bad. I think I get complain about the front camera, but I dey okay with this back one. Flashlight dey here too, plus the fingerprint sensor. I no expect the fingerprint sensor to dey the corner of the phone for the power button because this phone no be premium phone. About the design of the phone, make I not talk about am because I no be fan of this design. I believe say the design of the cheapest phone for the Camon 15 series when Tecno don release about 2 years ago fine pass this one. Ordinarily, I go expect better design for this phone. So I turn the phone on, take the initial setup, and here we go. About the performance of the Camon 18i, e not too bad. E dey respond on time to touch. See wetin I dey do with the screen. The home screen dey move follow my hand quick without delay. I no dey sure say if I install apps and games for this phone, e go delay the response of the display. I think the display na pass mark. During the time when I still use this phone too, e no still hot and e no show any sign of say na phone when e go hot if I use am for a longer time in the future. So overall, the performance dey okay. The quick settings for the drop-down notification na the same with other Android 11 phone. E get the peak proof, do not disturb, one hand mode, auto rotate, theft alert, nearby share, and other settings like that. The phone dey run on Android 11 with HiOS version of 7.6. No special features come with the phone. Na the usual face unlock, fingerprint sensor, theft alert, and app lock come with the phone. As for the audio quality of the phone, I no go rely on the microphone to record. To play music with the phone no bad, but the sound from the audio and video recorder no go too work for person wey know and appreciate good sound quality. No be say the quality of the sound no clear, it's just that e get one kind side tweeting sound when dey very annoying.
Hello, testing the microphone. Hello, testing the microphone. 1, 2, 3, testing the microphone. Can you hear me? Hello.
I don kind of notice these same sound issues with other Tecno phones too, and Camon 18i no be the only phone wey get this problem. E dey possible say Tecno get special software inside their phone wey suppose filter recorded sound to improve the quality. If na so, then dem go need to work on this software to upgrade am. One more test na the FM radio. I just dey wonder if e go work without earpiece. I guess you understand now. You need earpiece to use the FM. If Tecno continue like this, one day I go find way to break enter their FM without earpiece. Okay, I just dey joke. So far, I don talk about the display, the performance, and some specification of the phone. Now, the camera. The camera gets 11 different modes. Them include short video, AI cam, beauty, portrait, super night, AR shot, slow motion, and timer mode. As expected, e no dey record 4K videos, whether the back or the front camera. But to me, they no really make much difference. Even with all these plenty camera modes when Tecno pack for this Camon 18i, the camera no still make sense for the front and the back. If you set the camera on object when you wan snap or video, the display go make sense and you go feel say the video or the picture go fine. But when you go watch the video or look the picture after you don take am, you go find out say the picture or video no make sense. Some pictures go dey clear when you wan take am, but the result of the picture or video na different thing altogether. I still take pictures with different modes of the camera and I no see any difference for all the result of the pictures when I take. For example, see this flower when I snap with the AI mode, the portrait mode, and the super night mode. Dem be like pictures when I take with the same mode. If you go count cameras, the Camon 18i own no follow at all. Camon 18i dey available for sale across Nigeria. Wetin you think? You go fit spend 85,000 naira for this kind phone? Tell me wetin you think for the comment section for bottom. And one last thing though, I don do the review of the Tecno Camon 17 for one of my YouTube videos previously. I leave the link for bottom of this video. Dey sure to click the link and watch that video and tell me wetin you think too. See you for the next video.